RFO 2-car park semi-complete duplex house, Cavite po ang location nito, Naik, Cavite. Daily tripping reservation, check nyo po itong vlog na to. So ito po ay Sipagsibol Village ng Naik, Cavite is RFO, ongoing na po ang filing at loan document signing sa Pag-ibig. So ito po ay semi-complete covered kitchen area na may malaking living area at madaming bintana. Covered po ang kitchen, yes. Ayan po, kaluwang ang living area. Madaming bintana, sliding windows. Malaking CR, check. 2-car park, kasya dito. Pwede mo naman i-extend, i-expand, i-covered garage yan. So, semi-complete na po. Imagine mo, no down payment, no reservation, no equity. Ito, 10,000 lang ang cash out. Provision for 2 bedrooms. Walang down payment. Makakapag-ipon kayo lang pang pa-renovate. Anyways po, nakatipid naman na kayo dahil 0 down payment. 10,000 lang po ang cash out. Maaliwalas, maliwanag, mahangin, madaming bintana. Duplex house, may ready na butas for aircon. 10,000 lang po ang pinaka-cash out nito. Imagine po, 30,000 basic salary, 9,800 lang monthly. So, daily tripping, PME.